So this is related to your introductory session, ice breaking session. So there I have given you some quiz. I think 91 of you already have done it. Then it is 30 minutes. So you can do as a pre-task. Okay. So I'm not going to preview here. So you can do it if you didn't do it. Okay. Then after that, I will enable, after today interactive session, I will enable following module topics. Okay. So this related to your LMS, I will enable most of, and today I will enable another one, this time management quiz, first quiz. Okay, I will enable it later. Then let's go back to this. Okay, what is time? So this time management module, actually we have a lot of individual activities. Okay. So I think you all know what is time. I need actually your own idea. So we will share it later. Before that, we will do one interactive session. Okay, one activity. I want actually for this activity. So this is one of time management training tasks. It is very easy to organize because you need only a pen and paper. I hope you have pen and paper with you. So all of you have to work individually for this task at first. Okay. So we'll see what is that. Okay. So you need to jot down on a piece of paper. First thing, 5 things you accomplished yesterday. So 5 things you accomplished yesterday. Recall yesterday activities you have done and jot down 5 things you accomplished yesterday. Okay. It doesn't matter how big or small. So you can jot down it, write down 5 things you accomplished yesterday. And each participant must write down one wasteful thing you did. Okay, one wasteful thing you did yesterday. Wasteful means unproductive, something that did not contribute towards achieving your goals, or did not improve the quality of your life. Likewise, you can write down one wasteful thing. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, write down 5 things you accomplished yesterday and one wasteful thing. Okay. 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 Hope you can share your idea now. Actually, we have almost more than 130 participants, but I'm not going to share all participants' experience. Any volunteers can share their 5 things you accomplished yesterday and one wasteful thing you did yesterday. Any volunteers? Anyone can share your accomplishment? So can anyone share 5 things you accomplished yesterday? So no one has raised their hand. So I will ask one. Okay. Then so please unmute yourself and share your idea, share your accomplishment.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can I share?
Yes, sure.
Yesterday, I do my FCB challenge 7
Okay, good.
and submitting activity in note making,
Very good.
organizing my slides on the computer.
Okay, that is third one. Then
Start learning HTML in Coursera.
okay, good.
Cleaning my room.
Okay, very good. Then what is your wasteful thing you did?
I am chatting lots of my friends in WhatsApp group.
Okay, you think that is wasteful?
Yes, 3-4 hours I will chat, so the time was waste.
Okay. Okay, very good. Anyone else? Who else wants to share their accomplishment? Because that is very important, because when we do time management, we need to consider what we have done. Okay, what we are doing. So any volunteer? I can give you yes.
I finished my uncompleted EFL quizzes in the LMS.
Okay, good.
I cleaned and prepared my room with some books for my studies.
Okay, very good.
I finished a web project which was given in my class.
Okay, great.
I taught maths and English to my brother and sister.
Okay, good. Last one.
I helped my mother to do all her kitchen works.
Okay, very good. Then what is the wasteful thing?
I took more time to sleep, sir.
So how many hours?
Pardon, sir?
How many hours you slept? Hours you.
I took 3 hours in evening, sir.
Then yesterday, all the day, if you consider, how many hours then?
Whole day.
No. Oh yeah, a whole day mean you. So what is the sleeping time for whole day? You have to
6
consider
hours?
6 hours. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's good. I don't think that is wasteful, but daytime sleeping, that will be wasteful.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Then anyone else? Thank you for sharing your accomplishment, both of you. Then who else? I can give you for another 2. Who else wants to share your accomplishment? Because it's really important. I will tell you why we going to share these things and note down?
Excuse me.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
5 things accomplished yesterday. I have completed note making quizzes in the LMS, which I had not completed,
Okay.
and I could have allocated the time to help my mother for preparing lunch, and I thought I could to teach some good habits to my nephew. And yesterday there was a good chance. We introduced ourselves with our course peers who study under the cultural center.
Okay.
We have created a Zoom meeting and we did it.
Okay. Good.
And the best thing is, yesterday I watched television for an hour.
Only an hour.
Yeah.
Okay. You think that is useful? Okay. We'll discuss further on that topic
Okay.
later.
Thank you.
Thank you. Then, so one more participant. You can share your idea, your accomplishments, and your wasteful thing. Last one. Can any volunteers?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I have complete ICT challenge activity 7.
Okay, good.
I have completed my USA customer designing work.
Very good.
I have started HTML coding.
Okay, great.
I have created my first web page.
Okay, good.
I bought things for my mom.
Okay, very good. Then what is the wasteful thing you did?
I have watched 2 hours movie.
2 hours movie. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you all can share, as actually if you have face-to-face session, you can share. You can give group into 2 person. Then you can share your. You can compare your accomplishment and one wasteful thing we can share. But in this Zoom session, so actually, why do we need? Because you know that we do a lot of things, including when we compare yesterday. So why we discussing this accomplishment? So accomplishment, when we discuss, it will make you feel good because we have completed the whole thing by allowing you to focus on what you achieve with your time. Okay. So you know that we beat ourselves up thinking that we have done nothing. Okay, when we do more than we give ourselves credit for. So that's why so when we focusing on one wasteful thing, one wasteful task, we'll open the discussion towards understanding what the wasteful activity is and how to avoid time wasters. Okay, because you don't want to worry I didn't do kind of thing, because when we consider, when we recall our accomplishments, you will feel better. Okay, so we'll do another interactive activities related to time management, and we will discuss more on these tasks, how to prioritize our time in the next session as well. So this is not then today we do only small tasks related to time management. Okay, let's go back to again second activity actually. So you know that your time and how do you allocate your time and how do you waste your time. So you have a rough idea. Okay, in order to make sure to check our time, so where does your time go? Okay, now you know that yesterday you have done something and you spend your time including 24 hours. Okay, then what do you spend your time on in it? Let's think about a typical weekday and how you spend your time in the day, and then what kind of activity do you do? Okay, because sometimes it can be difficult to know where you are spending your time, but it is really important to recognize you are balancing your time. Okay, so balancing your time means that you can spend all your time on your homework. So one of participants said she slept more hours. One of participants said he chatted with friends more than 3 hours. Okay, so kind of, because we can't do okay, when we are doing, we can't do one activity. Or if you are doing only studying, so our life is not balanced. Okay, then so there are many parts of our life. So there are things like your family, your health, and your friends. So you have to create balance, and if you create balance, you create kind of a happy life. So if your life is balanced, you manage your time, so you can create a happy life. Okay, so we have I have given one activity for check whether your activities, your time is balanced or not. So in order to do that, we need to do your own pie chart. Okay, so pie chart, I hope you all know what is pie chart. So I will show you sample pie chart as well. So create your own pie chart about your life to present, how you spend your time throughout the week. Now you have to consider throughout the week, you need to calculate how many hours per week. So we consider last task only per day. So you consider only yesterday for your accomplishment and one wasteful thing only. Now you need to think about per week. Okay, what you have done, what you spend your time throughout the week. Okay, because when we talk about balancing your life, so focusing on balancing your time. So one of the best ways to create this balance is to manage your time and make sure that you are spending your time where it needs to be spent. Okay, so I will show you one sample pie chart. If you don't have any idea about pie chart, this is not related to this activity. So because we need pie chart with percentage. Okay, so how do you create percentage here? So I will show you a sample pie chart. This is favorite activities. Okay, so one of I copied from the Google, just favorite activities. So you can consider if you are doing golf 12%, swimming 18%, cycling 24 per day. So swimming 80% mean when you consider 24 hours. So 18%. So you can do swimming likewise. So likewise, this pie chart I need with percentage. As example, if you sleep per day 8 hours, then you need to multiply with 18 to 7 and divide total hours per week. So then you get the percentage. Okay, hope you understand that. So I will give you another 10 minutes. Make a pie chart. I'm also going to make my own pie chart per week. So then we can see the allocation of your time, or whether your life is balanced or not. Using graphically we can see it. Okay, so take a piece of paper and draw your own pie chart with actual. Remember that you need to be honest. Okay, for this activity. So create with your own time frame. Okay, because you are going to manage your time, not the others. Okay, so that's why you need to deal with your actual time. Okay, so So if you have 24 hours per day. So how many hours per week? Total hours per week. So that is you need when you divide, allocate percentage. So how many hours per week? That is small calculation. 24 hours into 7. I hope all the participants, you all can multiple value by 7. Okay. So consider that and draw your own pie chart as I showed you earlier. So I need with percentage as well. Okay. So consider what are the activities you are doing and what is the percentage. Common activities. So you need to percent how you spend your time throughout the week. Okay. So I'll give you 10 minutes. So how about the activity? Did you finish it? Finish the activity? Can you show your pie chart? Actually, I forgot to tell you, if you are using, you can use your laptop as well. Word document, your Word application or PowerPoint or whatever application you can use to draw pie chart. Using Excel, it's very easy to draw. You give the percentage. Okay, I hope you all complete it. Can I will show you my pie chart, because if you can pin my video. So this is my pie chart. I have, so it's not clear actually, but can you all see it? So likewise, you need to show your pie chart as well. Okay, can anyone share your time allocation? The pie chart of how you spend your time throughout the week. Okay, so you can raise your hand if you complete, and I can give you chance to show your pie chart, because you are going to check. So now graphically we can see whether our life is balanced or not. If you add true data, true details to your pie chart, then we can see you are balancing your time or not. You can turn on your video and show your pie chart. Or if you have create your pie chart using Word application or any using your laptop, I can give you sharing option. So who wants to share it? Who want to show your pie chart? Still, are you doing it? So I will ask one by one then. Okay, aim repass. Did you complete your pie chart? You can unmute and answer. I think I can't ask one by one. Who you can share, who has completed your activity, you can share your pie chart. Anyone else? Randomly I ask. Ashan Mihiranga, did you complete it? Because we have, for this activity, we have only another 3 minutes. So it's better if you can share your activity. I can give you, okay. Okay, Suranga, you can share your pie chart. Suranga, you are going to show your pie chart, or do you want to share your screen? Suranga, you are going to show your pie chart, or you want? Sandeepa, can you? Yes, Sandeepa, can you share your pie chart? Yeah, Sajika. Yeah. Okay. Okay. With percentage, you have to show your activities. What you have total your time allocation throughout the week. Okay, one participant showed. So why do we need to see this? Why need to create pie chart? So graphically, we can see what are we doing, what we have done, and our total time allocation. You spend time allocation throughout the week. So now then we can check whether we are balancing our time or not. Okay. Because creating a pie chart can be a really great way to recognize whether your life is balanced or not. Okay. That's why we ask you to do this task. Create your own pie chart. If you are if you are unable to do so, so please do it later. Okay, I will show you another. We are running out of time, so I'm moving to next activity as well. So I will show you one pie chart. So here for sleep it's 37%. So I'm not telling this is balanced, but you can calculate how many hours you are sleeping per week. Then you can divide by total hours per week. Okay. Then so work, if you are working and if you are studying, you can calculate how many hours you are allocate for that. So we are talking about your past week. Okay, throughout the week what you have done. Okay, so remember I will enable one Dropbox to upload your own pie chart. So here you need to be honest. So after this module complete, we will do same activity and check whether your life is balanced or not. Okay. Then now I'm again come back to what is time. So first at the first slide I didn't discuss this. You know, we all know what is time. So I need actually here I don't need your any definition. What do you feel? How do you feel this time? So you can unmute and discuss. Any idea about time? How do you feel this? What is time? So if I give you hint, think about grade 1 or your preschool time. At that time, did you know about time? Any idea about time? When life move on, so then now you know what is time, and you are doing to manage your time, and you are going to do a lot of activities because we have only 24 hours per day. Okay. Then any idea about time? What is time? There are a lot of definition related to this. What time is. So you are not open for discussion. Then you will not be able to manage your own time. Okay. That means you don't feel anything about time, isn't it? So we know that when you grow up, your family, your parents also, maybe your teachers fed some data about time. Now, then after you learn how to read calendar, days, time, hours, minutes, everything. Now you can calculate your own time. Actually, what is time according to your, not according to your mind, according to your heart? How do you feel it? Can you all hear me? So you can unmute yourself and answer. What is time? How do you feel it? So no answers mean you don't feel time. Okay. Okay, then I will open discuss. Okay, Janana, can you share your idea about time? You can unmute yourself and express your idea. Are there any problem to you to unmute yourself? Yes, Janana, can you share your idea? We can't hear you.
How can we share our pie chart in forum or a pie chart?
So I will enable it later, but this is interactive session. That when I ask you to share, you better to share it. So one participant showed that. So now I'm asking what is time. Okay. So think about actually what do you feel as a time. Okay, we'll discuss this as later because we are running out of time today. Because you are not going to discuss. That's why. So when you consider how much time do you have, you know 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, likewise, and we have an extra day during the leap year. Okay, I'm not going to discuss now what is time. Then. So when you draw your lifetime, think about you are going to live 100 years. If your average time now, you have lived 20 years. If you are 20 years old, so now you more than 7,300 days now already finished. Okay, so assume now you are living 100 years. Rest of the timeline you are in this timeline. Okay, we'll do one activity. Actually, we have only 2 minutes left, 3 minutes left. Okay, so we call this activity ribbon of light. Okay, I will do. So I have. So I will. So we need take colored ribbon length approximately 100 meters. I will stop sharing now, and if you can pin my video here. Actually, if you can pin your video, I have set one ribbon length approximately 1 meter. Okay, so that is 100 centimeters. Okay, so think about this activity. You are a working individual. So if you are studying, it doesn't matter. Full time you are studying. Okay. You all know that though we have 100 years, we assume we all know that we our average maximum of our time will be that is 75 years. So I will cut down last 25 years. Okay, because maximum age, I assume, that is 75 years. Okay, now we have 75 years. Okay, representing 75 centimeters. Okay, then I assume participants, all the participants here, average age also 25 years. Okay, then I will cut down another 25. Here I again cut down another 25 years. Can anyone say what is left? Now what is left? Okay, so what is left? You majority to say 50, but that is not the correct answer. So we have Saturdays and Sundays per week. So we have, when we calculate, yeah, you say 50, but that is not the correct answer. Though we have Saturdays and Sundays per week, those are holidays. So when we multiply it with weeks, there are 52 weeks per year. Then we have to multiply with another 50 years. Then you will get 14.28 centimeters, 14.28 years. So I will cut down again another 40, approximately 40 centimeter here. Okay, then you will get 42.86 centimeter. Okay, then we have again public national holidays per year. When you check your calendar, more than 10. Okay, holidays. So we have to multiply that. I will get here 10 holidays per year. Then you will get another 1.5 centimeter. We can cut down. Okay. Then if you are working individual, you have 40 leaves, 40 days, maybe casual, sick, annual leaves, approximately 40 days. When we multiply it by 50, we have to cut down another 5 centimeter. Okay, so I will cut down another 5 centimeter. So this is your life. Okay, ribbon of life. Okay, I'm going to cut down what we'll see what is left. Okay, then so we have then we have to consider about your sleeping time. Okay, so average 8 hours. Think about you are sleeping average 8 hours. Then we have to multiply with 365 days per year. Again, you need to multiply with 50 years. Then you will find almost 70 years. 17 years. You will sleep 17 years. So we have to cut down another 17 centimeters. Okay. Then I will cut down it. So then calculation we need to do further. Okay. We'll see. Now we cut down 17 centimeters. Then consider about your breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner. So per day, approximately 2 hours. If we cut down 2 hours, then we have to multiply with 30 days per 30 days per month. Then we have to multiply with years, and again finally we need to multiply with 50. So we will get another 4 years for your lunch, breakfast. Then I will cut down that as well. Okay, another. So as you can see here, so I will cut down another 4 years. Okay, then you know that for traveling, to go for traveling, for friends, for any other activities, we will, if we cut down 1 hour per day for traveling, so from place to place, then 1 hour per day mean another 2 more years, per 50 years. So then we have to cut down another 2 centimeters. So I will cut down it. You can see total allocation of your time. If I show you like this way, yeah. So total, what is left actually according to this calculation? So you have left, yeah, we are down to 6 years. So like 6 years of life to make it or break your goal. Okay, you can do it later. So I will explain in this activity in single as well. Now we are running out of time actually. So what I have done, I create ribbon of life and cut down all the activities we are doing, including sleeping, eating, kind of thing. So actually split of your, I cut down into, we are down to 6 years to do whatever thing you want for your goal. To make it or break it, you have actually for life 6 years only. Okay, you can do it this activity later. I will go back to presentation. So this is we call ribbon of life. Okay, you can do it later. Then go to what is time management. So we do a lot of things to do time management, like timetable, alarm, Google Calendar, year planner, likewise. Then I will show you finally who succeed. Who are the famous people known to have practice time management. So I will give you only a few examples. There may be a lot of examples for this, and who succeed by time management. Actually, I want you to be succeed using calculating your own time. We'll do more activities and calculate your own time according to when you register your first semester course. How do you manage your time? Okay. So I have done actually interactive session mean we do few activities only, and then I will enable time management quiz. First quiz. What you can do here, I will enable it later. This quiz, first quiz, you have to download this Word document. I will show it. Okay. Quiz. This is your time management quiz 1. Here you need to calculate. You can give US number and your name. So there are few questions. You can select yes or no, and then you can calculate your total yes count and submit it. Okay. So I will enable it as well. Then so that's all for today's session. Actually, we will do more activities on next session. Okay. So your next hour allocated for collaborative learning. Actually, I get more than 7 minutes. Sisara, so Engineer Sisara will do your collaborative learning activity. Sorry, I didn't share my screen. Okay, I will wrap up now. Okay. So what we have done here. So I just show you time management who succeed, and that these sessions I have already included to your LMS as well. Okay. So no one told me about I'm not sharing my screen. I thought I'm sharing my screen. Okay, these lessons are available in your LMS as well. So I will hand over to Sisara, Mr. Sisara, who will do the your collaborative learning part. So I will stop sharing now.
Sir, did you make Dropbox to pie chart?
So I will create it later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I will create it later. Okay, now you can join with collaborative learning. Good luck.